All right, well, welcome back. It's Friday, and we're in math class. So yesterday you did a great job with listening to directions. We're getting better every day. We're going to keep grinding through, being good listeners, and getting better at math, okay? So let's get started right here. This is the exit ticket now from yesterday. So it's basically all the concepts we learned yesterday, and we're going to give you about 5 minutes today to get us through as much as you can, all right? The biggest thing we talked about yesterday in my class was making sure that you answer the question, all right? Do the main stuff first and all the fluffy stuff later, okay? Like checking your answers and stuff. So make sure you do the work first, okay? So we're going to pause this, and then you're going to get 5 minutes to do it, all right? So teachers, go ahead and pause now. Up. So we just hopefully got through a lot of this, hopefully all. If you didn't get through it all, it's okay. The most important thing is, did you try your best? Did you stay focused the whole time? If you can answer yes to both those questions, then we're super proud of you, okay? So that's what all we ask, okay? So to start off with, we were going to use the standard algorithm or the normal subtraction method to solve the following subtraction problems. So here's what I came up with here. The first one I got 6,011, all right? On part B, I got 13,920. And on part C, 6,511. Give you a second to check those. A few times I had to regroup here or decompose these numbers. And then down here. Okay, so let me get this in the full view. It's one of those questions where it's asking us, like, what number do we add to the other one to get to a sum? So basically what it comes down to is, what number do I need to add to 1,575 to get the result of this 8,625? Well, in order to do that, I drew it out. So the directions up here say draw a tape diagram to represent the following problem. Use numbers to solve, and then write your answer as a statement, and then check your answer. So first thing I did was write the tape diagram. So I wrote out 8,625, and I made my tape diagram right there. Underneath it, I put 1,575 in this little piece of tape. And in order to get to the full amount of 8,625, I need to find out what goes in that box. That's why I put a question mark there. And in order to do that, if I just subtract this amount from the whole amount, I will find out what the missing piece is. So subtraction is my answer here. So I did the work over here, all right? I went through my process here. I had to borrow or regroup one time, decompose this number one time, and got 7,050. Then what I did is I wrote my answer down in this complete sentence. 7,050 must be added to 1,575 to get the sum of 8,625. Basically, I rewrote this whole question as an answer, right? I just restated it. And then the final thing, it said, well, make sure you check it, okay? Check your answer. So I did that here. Here's my check. And what I did is it worked it backwards. I took my answer, I put that on top, and instead of subtracting, I added it to this number right here, and I should end up with this full amount. And I did that and got 8,625. So it all checks out. I used numbers to solve here. I wrote my answer in a complete sentence here, and then checked my answer here. All right. Hopefully you got all that way. If you did, great. All right. What we're going to do next is work on our I can statement. Talk about that. It's very similar to what we did today, just more regrouping this time. Okay. So we'll see you in a bit.